Hey guys, Enzo the Grease Geek here, and today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2006 Mistubishi. Fucking balls. Hey guys, Enzo the Grease Geek here, and today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2006 Mistubishi Lancer Evolution 9. Fuck. Hey guys, Enzo the Grease Geek here, and today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2006 Mitsubishi Evo 9 MR. And the tools we're going to be needing today are a ratchet, 3/8 preferably, with a 17mm socket on it. Your choice, but a pair of oil filter pliers. And some 10W30 oil, because this is what this car calls for. And the oil filter for this car is 14459 in the Purelator brand. First, you're going to want to go ahead, pop the hood. It's right here. Latch right underneath here. Pop it open. Put the prop up. Oil caps right here. Take that off. As you can see, when locating the oil drain pan and the oil filter, you got the front passenger wheel right here. You got the oil drain pan right here. That's the drain plug. And then the oil filter. Now we're going to take the ratchet and the 17mm, place it on our drain plug, break it loose. Once you get loose enough by the ratchet, you just take it off by hand. I have my little caddy underneath here right now. And there she is. It's the drain plug right there. Drain plug's in good shape. Alright, now that we've let the oil come to a drop, we can put our drain plug back in. Just get it as hand tight as you can. Then you're going to take your ratchet, make sure it's on, and then until it stops turning, give it one more crank. And that's all you need. So next you're going to want to take your oil filter pliers, place them on the oil filter like so, and then lefty-loosey. Then you can spin it off. Then after it drips a little bit, you can continue to take it off. Make sure you inspect the oil filter housing for double gasket. Make sure there's no gasket left over. Right now it's just dirty, so I'm just going to clean that up with a towel and get ready to put the new oil filter on. So we're going to take our new oil filter. In this case it's a Purelator 14459. I'm just dumping the old oil out from the old oil filter into my bucket over here, my caddy. I'm getting some oil on my finger. I'm just lubing up the gasket for the new one to prevent it getting caught on the metal if the metal's... This asshole. Alright. Pretty much lubing up the gasket prevents the metal from getting caught on the rubber and squeezing this up, which could have it miss the rim and cause fluid to leak out. But simply, if you just put oil on it, then you're okay. Just rub a little bit on there. Take it, put it on there like so, and twist it on. Now, if you have oil on your gloves and oil on the filter too. Just take a towel or a paper towel, whatever you got. Use it to tighten it a little bit more. And that's it. You don't need to get it super tight. You saw I just used one hand. I'm not a huge guy. I don't have huge muscles. So that's simple. All right, so now we're gonna be adding the oil to the car. Just first things first, take your funnel. Make sure it's an oil-only funnel. You don't wanna be using a funnel that's got, you know, maybe coolant on it or trans fluid. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So sorry for the commotion in the back, but let's get to it. So you're gonna take your all right, so let's get to it now. We're gonna get our funnel. Make sure you got this first. Insert it. And then we're gonna go grab our oil. All right, so this car calls for 10W30. So we're gonna be using full synthetic 10W30. And just so simple, just take the oil, take the cap off, and pour it in. Slowly, of course. So this is the 6th quart. That was just the 5th. So now just there's a little bit of oil that dripped from the funnel. Just grab your shop towel or your paper towel and clean it off the top of the valve cover. Take your oil cap and simply put it back on. That's basically it. Now let's go ahead and turn the vehicle on. There is no oil reset for this car, so we'll simply be leaving the customer a generous reminder of when to get their oil change next, which will be approximately 5,000 miles. Now we can go ahead and shut the hood. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and that's how you do an oil change on a 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 MR.